Yeah! Big money this week! Where you at, Mo?
Here I am. I thought I'd give you a little moment to yourself, Mr. Big Spender this week. Got the chain on, got the sunglasses.
Yeah,
Thought you'd
these
enjoy
are
your moment this week.
Saint Laurent, by the way.
Go ahead and tell the people, man, what you've been on this week. Go ahead.
Let me share my screen. Hold on. So,
Oh, since we're not doing that, I'll go ahead and do it. Welcome back to M&M Trades, everyone.
my bad.
Once again this week, I'm Mohammed, and this is Marcus.
Yep,
See that do your job. Do your job.
my bad, man. My bad.
Go ahead, man.
Let
Let's
me
get
share my
started.
screen.
Let's go.
All right. So, we found a really good coin. Actually yesterday. So that would have been Thursday because today's Friday. Pumped pretty hard. So the name of the coin was Allora, aka Aloe. Okay. Now I will say I did not jump in at the perfect time, but you live and you learn. We still ended up taking some decent profit on it. So I
What's your
started.
percentage this week?
What'd you say?
What's your percentage on the profit?
I think it
40,
was.
50%?
I think it was 50%. I think it was 50. Okay. So, and you can already see it starting to go
A
down.
day
So
trader making a 50% day. That's pretty good, man.
it's nice. It was really nice.
Especially
Just
because
barely.
I know he was in the red last week.
Yes, yes, yes.
The
Like I
day
said,
trade like a
we've got a
loaded
whole
gun.
we've got a whole book of just losses and some wins. Hey, but that's expected with this day trade shit, okay? Now,
It
uh
should not be expected. We need wins, not losses.
you gonna let me talk now?
Go ahead, go ahead, go ahead. It's your chart on the board anyway. Go ahead, go ahead.
All right. So I started off with a small position at first, just to kind of test the waters. So I put I think it was like 114 bucks in it when me and you first saw it yesterday. That was around when it was at 99%, 98%. Just to test the waters. The chart was looking strong and momentum was building. So later that same evening, I decided to put another $800 into it, which brung that total to like $914. Okay. All right. So here, I'll show you where I originally bought in at and put on the five. Actually, let's see. So I bought in around, I said 19 cents. Let me see. Yeah. So that would have been around here. And I'll mark that for you guys. So I bought in around right here. So that would have been around 19 cents. Okay. As you can see, it was still going up. Now, around, let me erase this. It wasn't all dandelions and ice cream, though, because right here, you've got that bearish
Dandelions and ice cream?
dandelions and ice cream. Okay. It wasn't all sweet
Is
and
that a
chocolate.
grandma saying? Is that what your grandma used to say?
Yeah, something like that. All right. So, right after I bought in, the trade didn't immediately go the way that I wanted to. And if you see right here, this bearish candle, let me zoom in real quick. Started pulling back.
Is that a panic sell?
I didn't panic. That's exactly what I was about to
No,
say.
no, no. I'm asking you, is that a panic sell for people?
Yes. For
Right
some
when you
people,
buy in and then you get a red candle that goes
yeah.
straight down.
Some people, they'll panic sell when they see this red candle right here.
Day traders.
We, but I said in the last video, I think we don't panic around here. We don't do that. All right. We don't fall for the industry traps. None of that bull. We men. So as you can see, it started dipping right here. But then look at those strong bullish candles. That's what you want to see. And this was like one after another. So it was amazing. It was an amazing night last night trading this. Um, like he was saying, a lot of new traders, they see that first pullback and instantly panic sell. But when I looked at the chart, the overall trend was still intact. It was still on an overall strong uptrend. Okay, and that's why I entered. Let me see. I can show you guys where we pulled out at. So I think I got out at 27 cents. So because I tried to ride the dip a little bit, but then, off based off my indicators and volume was slowly starting to go away. So buyers were slowly starting to step away, and sellers were kind of taking over, and that was around right here. This is where I took out at. So this was around that 26 cent mark. Um, I messed up again. So I could have walked away with a lot more, actually, because I had originally hit 15 cents right around here. I had hit 15 cents, or sorry, not 15 cents. I had hit $1,500 right around here, right where that is. Um, but, I thought that it was going to keep going up. I didn't take any early profits, so I ended up having to ride that dip that we see right here, and I just had to take what I could get. And I'm glad that I did because it started going further down. And now, if you look today, this is we don't like to see that. So I walked away with 1297, so pretty much $1,300 off of a $900 trade in total. So that's $300, $400, which is a nice day.
A nice day.
A
Mm,
great day. Sorry, I think that's a great day. If I can make an
average,
extra
average day.
300, $400, I'm
Average day.
celebrating that.
Average day. But that's all good, man. You still work. It's still all a work in progress. Don't worry. Don't
Yep.
even worry about it.
That's all that's coming out your mouth. All right, $300. There's some people viewing this right
12?
now. There's
Are
some
we
people.
12?
There's some people viewing this right now. $300 is literally paying a light bill. Is paying a car note. So that for some people, an extra
We
$300, that's
shouldn't be
life
pulling
changing.
out our money that early. We should be building our portfolio overall.
Well,
Am I wrong on that?
we can't all be great like you, Mr. Mo.
What are we doing pulling out $300 to pay a bill? We should build our portfolio out so we making
I want
3,000.
all of our viewers to know that I am not as insensitive as he is. And if
I'm
you
I'm
need that
I'm not
$300,
insensitive. I'm just
okay.
I'm keeping it real.
But that is
People want to trade full time. People don't want was this part-time trading? M&M part-time trades?
that is my weekly trade. I'm not doing any more this week. I made more than my weekly goal. So I'm very proud of myself for that one. Could have been more, but we live and we learn. That's something that I said in the last video. I'm still struggling with the greediness of it, and that's one of my rules is to not get greedy. And I broke that yesterday, and I paid for it. So
Hey, win's a win though.
a
50%.
win, a win is a
Still a
win.
win.
A win is a win. And the next time
Can't take away from that.
it's just gonna go higher from there. Like these trades, the numbers that you're seeing, they're just gonna go higher and higher from there. So
And we're gonna make sure we don't pull out the 300. We're gonna make sure we keep it in there and keep
oh
building.
yeah, we absolutely keep that in there for the next trade. Absolutely.
Right. It's not going to the light bill, is my point.
If you need to pull out the 300 for the light bill, guys, pull out the damn 300.
Don't listen to him.
All right, let me stop
Go
sharing.
ahead.
I'll stop sharing my screen. There you go.
Multiple presenters cannot be. Here we go.
You got it.
Sir, so here we are on my screen now. The OG, the big screen. You know what I'm saying?
The big screen.
There you go, man. You know that's not what we said. Anyway, we're looking at the same trade here, but I'm going to go ahead and break it down for us on the best trading indicators, market cipher.
All right.
Just so you know, it's one of the best. So clearly here we can see when we're looking at the daily trades, where was our VWAP? Right down here. All right. It looks great, doesn't it? Right in here. And if we go back, so here we go. We go back. All right. We go back to Thursday, right? It's pointing exactly straight up, and if we remember the order of operations for market cipher, remember VWAP is our leading indicator for the momentum waves, and we had our momentum going straight up along with
Oh,
it, as you can see there.
oh, that's Allora. Yeah.
Yeah, I'm going over the same trade,
Okay.
just using different indicators, same thing. You can still follow it for day traders and long-term trades. So when we're looking at that, we go back and we're looking to the shorter time frame here in the hourly, we can see exactly what was going on here. Our volume was getting thicker and thicker and thicker. We got our green buy here Wednesday, 11 p.m., heading into Thursday, and it just kept moving and moving and moving.
Yep.
Hold on, let's go ahead and remove
And you
that.
did buy in on this, but you didn't, you wasn't riding that same train with me the time that I got.
No, sometimes I am a long-term trader, so a lot of times when I buy in to hold for weeks, months, or days at a time, usually 3 to 5 days at least. But for this one, you did convince me,
Yep.
and I took a good profit of 20% on this. So I will say, I'll give you a little, give you props to you, props props to you
That
this week.
that dip right there.
For showing me a little something, something. But I had to, double check his work, as you know, and check it on my indicators and make sure, hey, got our green buy down here. Where's our VWAP? Oh, okay, so our VWAP was going up.
Mhm.
Momentum waves going up, 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 up. But we all know one thing: what goes up
Comes
must come down,
down.
and back up and back down. Like I'm gonna say every week, guys, pattern recognition. We gotta know when it's coming up. We gotta know when it's going down, and we gotta keep an eye on it at all times.
We don't like well, sometimes we like downtrends. Sometimes those are the best times to buy in, but those constant downtrends, that is what we call a poop sandwich. Here's the emojis. That's a fucking poop sandwich.
Man, you really gotta watch your language. I don't. It's a whole nother side of you that comes out when you're doing these trades. You got a family, man. And then our red X indicator here is telling us we are in a major dip for the hourly, but it is on the short term, so it can always bounce back. Daily here, it's still in an uptrend. The VWAP is coming down, so this is one of those I would say we'd have to wait and see what the VWAP does. It can't continue going straight down, but it can come down and come across and stay above the zero line here. If it does that, our momentum wave is going to probably continue going up and it'll continue into an uptrend, but that's still to be seen.
Yeah, it's got to cool off. That was a lot. That was a big pump last night. So now you're in your cool off period, like we kind of
So
mentioned.
it does have potential to continue from here. Because we still have our thick money green here.
Yep.
VWAP has come down a little bit down here, but there's a very high possibility it can keep moving up for those of you who end up buying or
What is it at right
not buying or
It's at,
keeping an eye on it for future reference.
it's at 24 cents right now. Yeah, 24
Yep, yep.
cents. So it seems to
From
be
whence
that it's in.
down 4% from when the market opened today, but yet, as you guys know, crypto never closes
Yeah, 24 hours, baby. Uh,
all day,
yeah, it
every
looks
day.
like so it's in that resistance zone right now. So they're trying to just figure out what they want to do, buyers and sellers. So
So
yeah,
overall, trading for both of us this week, I'm gonna go ahead and give everybody the good old thumbs up.
yes, yeah, yeah. I want to react the rocket ships because that's what we took off on last night. Had a lot of fun. We're gonna throw in some clips right here of me celebrating. He was on the phone, so we'll show that right now. I'm at $1,100. Oh shit! Oh! There it is! 24 cents, nigga! 24 cents! My computer's going crazy. Hold on, let me. Got out on the phone! And we're back. All right.
Now let's have a little discussion here, right?
Real quick,
Because
I would like to,
oh, you want to interrupt me? All right.
I just would like to put my social media out there real quick, just to kind of brand myself. If you guys are following me on Twitter, Wavy Trades 31. That's WAVY Trades 31 all together.
And
Uh,
you'll find the link in the description.
Link in the description. Yes, thank you. All right, back to you.
So I want to understand something about day trading because it seems like it's something to me sometimes for gamblers, the high, the rush of it all of see for me, I don't mind just putting my money in, watching my indicators, letting my money work, letting it grow. But you in those videos y'all gonna see, You over here going crazy. You at the lottery machine. It's like you got a loaded gun just ready, ready to start shooting off shots.
So, so what's your question, man? What are you trying to get at?
My question to you is, what's up with day trading, man? Is this an addiction? Is it a high? I don't understand.
I won't
Some
say
day traders don't even sleep.
no, and I will say I stayed up until 6:30 in the morning. So
Hmm,
we
interesting.
from 7:30 p.m. to 6:30 a.m. I was glued on this screen. I didn't even drink water or have dinner yesterday. I'm not just saying this for this fucking
Didn't
video.
even move from the
I'm
chair.
being dead ass serious. The only time I moved from this chair was to take a piss and a shit. Um,
There you go with that mouth of yours, man. There you go again.
like, I did not drink water, bro, and I didn't need it because my body was flourishing off the energy that the chart was giving me.
So you had a high. That's exactly what I'm
That
talking about.
yes, that is what we call a high, and it's an amazing feeling. But
Like what gamblers chase when you're on the slot machine, huh?
it's the same feeling, but what we're doing is not the same.
Hmm.
You're betting your money straight to the house, which 9 out of 10 times is always going to win. It's the same feeling, but what we're doing with our money is not the same. You're just putting your money into a slot machine, hoping that you're going to win. But this is different, though. This
Hoping.
actually
Ain't no hoping with market cipher.
this actually takes studying. It takes reading green screens effing this up. It takes reading books. This is one of my favorites right here, Candlestick Bible. All right, we're not just throwing our money into something hoping that it pumps. I mean, we're kind of doing that, but we're also studying these charts though.
Hmm.
Last
So
night
that was
we
FOMO
had
2 weeks ago.
we had every indication that
What was
this was
that 2 weeks ago with the FOMO, huh?
okay. That was different. All right,
Oh, now it's different.
that was me revenge trading because I was down bad. All right,
You was
but
doing what? You was trading with emotion. That's what you was doing.
yes, we were trading with emotions, which I say we're not supposed to do, and I broke that rule. But that's not what happened this week. It's a new week. What happened 3 weeks ago, that's in the past now.
Hmm.
But yes, I would say this is nothing like casino time. All right, this ain't Vegas. All right, so
You are the most unserious person I've met.
and that's what's gonna bring these damn views. All right, you got anything else to say, man? I really enjoy you guys for tuning in this week. We've got a lot of big things coming. We've got some crypto meetings that that we're gonna be attending here in the next couple of months. Uh, some New York trips. So there's a lot of big things coming to this channel. I just hope that you guys stick around to see it and enjoy the ride. And who knows, maybe if we get to a point, we can start doing some giveaways, maybe some free courses or something like that. You know.
Yeah, all five of y'all that tuned in last week.
I think it's actually 18. So thank
Oh,
you.
18.
Thank you for the
Thank you.
18 people that tuned in last week, and thank you for the 3 subscribers. I really appreciate that. We really appreciate that.
You appreciate that.
We appreciate, bro. There you go. Bro, the 3 people that subscribe, we absolutely appreciate you because they could just walk their little happy asses to some other channel, but they subscribe to us. So you say thank you. All right, whatever. You got anything else to say, man?
Nah, man. Have at it. It's all you now.
All right. Well, this is M&M Trading. Thank you guys for tuning in to our weekly trades, looking at our profits and how we went over these charts. So thanks.
And tune in again next week. We'll see you later.
We'll end it there.